Can artificial intelligence code a playable game from scratch in just a few minutes? Today, I put ChatGPT and Claude 3.5 Sonnet to the ultimate game dev test. I asked both of them to build a space shooter game. The results were completely unexpected. One AI built a clean interface, but another created a stunning game. Let's jump right in. First, we tested ChatGPT. It generated the code extremely fast. When I loaded it up, the design looked super clean, sleek, and modern. However, there was a major catch. The player's spaceship didn't show up at all. Enemy ships were coming down, but you couldn't see your own ship to dodge or fight back. It was fast, but missing a crucial feature. Next up was Claude. Claude took a bit longer to process and generate the entire code. It felt a little slow compared to ChatGPT, but when I pasted the code into the browser, wow! The visual design was incredible. The player's ship was fully visible. The enemy space jets looked awesome, and the entire gameplay was super fun and addictive to play. So, what's the final verdict? ChatGPT wins on speed and clean UI, but it failed to render the main player ship. Claude was slower, but it delivered a complete, stunning, and fully playable game right out of the box. Hands down, Claude takes the crown. Eos for this game dev challenge. Which AI impressed you more? Let me know in the comments below. Drop a like and subscribe to Aura Coding for more AI tests.